my goodness, guys, we have finally launched a bunch of newness. Prism Kit. Guys, the inspiration for this kit was unicorn and a beetle had a baby. This makes my 5-year-old girl heart happy, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. First of all, let's show some appreciation for the box. The art department nailed it. First, check it out. We have the Prism case. Lordy, Lordy, I cannot wait to be seen at the airport with this. This is a beautiful prismatic beetle with that new YN logo that we have come out with. Insane, gorgeous. We're gonna open the top. I think the top, you're just gonna find a little flap, lots of places to put your goodies, your polishes, whatever you want, brushes, anything your heart's desire. Let's get to the real goodies though. First, these are my favorite press-ons. They are our Prism Glow press-ons. Got that beetle look going on. I'm actually wearing these to a wedding this weekend. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Then we have polishes, okay? We're gonna get into it. You're going to get not only the essentials, base and a top, gotta have those, but you're going to get our new Prism colors. Obsessed and in love with these. These are our Prism polishes. Now these, it depends how you want to wear them. You can wear them sheer to get a little micro glitter going on. You can put it over a solid polish to up your game, or I've put on a couple coats just for a little more solid coverage. This one is called Aurora Crush. That's the one I'm wearing. Next, we have this amazing silvery hollow look. This one's called Halo Blush. Next, we have Iris Glow. Again, look at that. Look at that micro glitter and how it just flows. Stunning blue with that little micro glitter. Next, we have Moonbow. It's kind of got a orangey brown tone with a little hint of pink in it. Absolutely gorgeous. You gotta have a gold. This gold is insane. This one's called Flash Dance. It's a perfect name for this. And then, last but not least, we have Gleaming Axis. Gleaming Axis is kind of a pinkish red, and then it has a little purple tone going through it. Absolutely stunning. And of course, you get your handy dandy strap for your case. Make sure you get this Prism kit. Make your inner 5-year-old happy. This is limited quantities, so make sure you get it while you can.